water is vital to everybody. And I think as far as curriculum in schools right now, it's important to get not just natural resources, but water education into schools, especially at the 4th and 5th grade level, where they're just starting to understand natural resources and all that type of thing. It's a wonderful introduction to it. And we've actually had college students come back and write us letters and tell us, you know, I went into this career because of the Groundwater Festival. So that's really, really neat to see.
The 25th annual Nebraska Children's Groundwater Festival was held Tuesday at Central Community College and College Park in Grand Island, and included 24 schools from 18 cities with over 900 students and 49 teachers participating.
I learned a lot of interesting things, that the water actually will filter, the dirt will filter the water through, so there's not as much pollution, and they do put a liner in the landfill. So
the Nebraska Festival has served as a model for similar national and international events. While many similar events allow children to go from booth to booth for learning activities, at the core of Nebraska's festival are 25-minute classroom-style sessions featuring hands-on learning.
we actually got to do, instead of just sitting there in class just learning from a book, we actually get to do something hands-on and learn from that instead of just thinking about it. So.
And our festival really is the only one that's in-depth. It's a classroom-style event.
Hands-on.
Hands-on, where a lot of other water festivals or earth festivals and that type of things are just from booth to booth, and students visit, you know, just for a short period, where here it's actually in-depth 25-minute sessions.
There were 30 such sessions Tuesday, along with 10 exhibit hall booths and 2 stage shows, including a presentation with live birds.
You get to do more activities. We took a pre-test, and in science we had a unit where we learned about the water cycle.
In 4th grade, we do Nebraska Studies, which also includes the study of the aquifer, and we not only talk about water in Nebraska, we also talk about water on Earth, and that groundwater, there's such or fresh water, there's just not very much of it. Most of our water is salt water, and then we talk about what a gift that is that Nebraska has, as you know, the groundwater that it does. We're still finishing up our unit on water, so we'll go back to this several times in the year to just kind of reconnect with the ideas that we want them to learn.
We do pre and post tests before and after the festival. All the scores are always higher afterwards, so that's good. And then the Groundwater Foundation actually did a behavioral study after 10 years of doing the festival and saw that it greatly improved the knowledge, not just short term, but long term. So I think it's important, and I think students really do get the in-depth knowledge that they need here.